Hello and welcome to the Lost Pines Workshop. I'm JC Jensen. So it's our goal in woodworking to do everything correct 100% of the time. But we all know that just ain't going to happen. All right. So in the process of making this dresser, and as part of my Build a Classic Dresser series, and messing with this camera, I got my template upside down and I cut this out. This is a sliding dovetail groove. As you can see, there's two. There should only be one right here. All right, so got it upside down, got an extra groove. I attempted to plug it. So I just milled down, made a little tiny piece, dovetail to slide in the hole. It fits, it looks fabulous. It has a dovetail joint. Put on the front of a case, it's gonna show, and it looks terrible. So to fix this, how do we fix our mistakes? Well, to fix this mistake, I've dry fit my case together. I took my low angle block plane and planed it all, made sure all my corners, everything's nice and flat and perfect. All right, got that part. I'm taking one of my drawer dividers that's ready to be cut and installed. And I've decided I'm going to sacrifice it and I'm going to rip it into pieces 1/16 of an inch thick to create a laminate, and I will laminate it to this edge all the way around. That's going to give me the same color and the same grain pattern as what I'm already working with. So it's going to just blend right in. Nobody's ever going to know it's there. And then I'll come back and hand cut all these little dovetails here just out of that laminate. And it will look near perfect, which is what the goal is, right? Hope that helps. That's one method for fixing one mistake. If you like this video, please hit that like button. We'll see you down the road.